Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Rondevo. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in rondevo.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Rondevo website. Now from this page, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will end up within the login portal. Now, in case you don't remember your password, you can click on the Forgot Your Password button to reset your credentials. Otherwise, just type in your email address and enter your account password and click on the login button. And as soon as you click on the login button, you will be taken into the homepage for Rondevo and you will start seeing various profiles that you can immediately start chatting with. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Rondevo. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.